man sent you. Yeah, Mountain Dew, where you at?
Yeah, where you at, Mountain Dew? Come on. Get with it. The anticipation, dude. What?
Oh my! The camera.
Oh, that is so cool, dude. That is so cool.
So
The same as a Hot Wheels guy?
64.
yeah, essentially.
Yeah, it's like a Hot Wheels car size.
You could go down a Hot Wheels track, man, which would be awesome.
Well, it better be left turns on the Hot Wheel track.
Can the guy take it out of the box?
Yeah.
Oh boy, I don't know if you can take it out of the box, dude. Dude, let's see this sucker. Come on.
You would need to race it in the dirt, actually.
Oh,
Dude, that is so cool.
Super sweet. Signed.
Where is?
Oh man, don't simmer down, simmer down. You got it signed.
Where's the hood, dude?
I think it's right here.
Okay.
Some assembly required.
Then you gotta pay extra for that. Dude, that's so cool.
There goes all the value.
Oh,
dude. Check that out.
What?
Crawl up in the corner, man.
Dude, can you turn the wheel?
Look at underneath the hood. It's actually really.
You need to put a little Tim's Automotive sticker on the valve cover there, Ray.
Look at that, dude. It's got a winner's quick change in it.
Bro, this thing. What?
I'm pretty dang pumped about this.
Dude, it's got a little cockpit and everything.
I'm pretty pumped.
Oh, look at how nice this is, man.
Oh my gosh, dude.
I don't want to wreck it.
Super
They
cool.
even got his the cool number thing going in there, man.
Oh yeah, dude. It's super cool. I'm pretty pumped.
When are we gonna get some cars like this made for our stuff?
I think you have to be champions.
You gotta be worth it.
Once we start winning like really big races
thing
with
is-
thousands of dollars to win.
That is so cool,
Super
dude.
sweet. So pumped about this right now.
Chicka chicka. Chicka
There's
chicka
still
chicka.
one
I think
more.
we gotta go back dirt track racing just so we can get some of these, dude. Chicka chicka. Chicka chicka. Damn, dude. That's so cool that he got all his sponsors and everything on there. Yeah. Well, shout out Jesse Glenz, man. That's a really that's
Really
bitching.
sweet, and they
That's
weren't
bitching.
that much money.
They weren't that much money.
No, they're pretty reasonably priced.
Reasonably priced. There's no money is no object for Ray and his man crush. For Jesse Glenz.
Pretty cool, man.
Jesse Glenn's man crush.
I have no regrets.
I have no regrets. It looked good in the
Look
shop,
at that.
dude.
Right there. Bam!
How about you? Say, Ray,
Yes.
are you gonna be like the president of the Jesse Glenn's fan club?
If I had that honor, I would love it. That would be an honor. That would be an honor to serve.
To serve. Wow.
Yep.
That's too much. That is just too much, dude.
Yes, sir.
Shout out Jesse Glenn's, man. Great, good luck this year. We love the cars and can't wait to see you out there ripping it up this year.
In the USMTS.
USMTS, yep.
Yep. And the late model.
Yep, running the late model and the modified, so
Very
that's gonna be
cool.
very cool.
Yep. Best of luck.